Welcome to our maths class. In our previous class we have completed exercise 5.4. Today we are going to learn about exercise 5.5. Our exercise 5.5 is about subtraction of fractions. So exercise 5.5. Exercise 5.5. Subtraction of fractions is same like addition of fractions. Subtraction of fractions is same like addition of fractions, but you have to subtract. So in exercise 5.5 directly we have, in exercise 5.5 first bit 3 by 4 minus 2 by 3, a bit, subtract. First question is 3 by 4 minus 2 by 3, 3 by 4 minus 2 by 3, here minus 3 by 4 minus 2 by 3, సేమ్ అడిషన్ లానే చేయాలన్నా, బట్ ఏం చేయాలంటే సబ్ట్రాక్షన్ చేయాలి. చూడండి సొల్యూషన్ 3 by 4 minus 2 by 3. Now LCM of 3, 4. LCM కి డినామినేటర్ చేయాలి కదా, డినామినేటర్స్ కి LCM చేయాలి కదా. సో LCM of 4, 3. 4, 3. 3 is prime number, so only 4 is divisible by 2 table. 2 2s are 4. In 2 table 3 is not possible. 3 as it is. So 2 into 3. 2 2s are 4. 4 3s are 12. LCM is 12. Then take the LCM 12 divided by first fraction denominator 4. In 4 table divide is possible, that is 3 times. Again take the LCM 12 divided by second fraction denominator 3. In 3 table divide is possible, that is 4 times. Then take the first fraction, that is 3 by 4 into LCM answer is 3. Then 3 by 3, that is equal to 3 into 3 by 4 into 3. 3 3s are 9, 4 3s are 12. Then take the second fraction, that is 2 by 3 into second fraction LCM answer 4. 4 by 4. 2 into 4 by 3 into 4. 2 4s are 8 by 3 4s are 12. Then take the first fraction 9 by 12. Here the symbol is minus. So you have to subtract minus 8 by 12. Both the denominators are equal. If the denominators are equal, then that are called like fractions. So subtraction 9, 12, only 12 you have to take. 9 minus 8. 9 minus 8 is 1. So answer is 1 by 12. Same like as it is like addition, but you have to subtraction. Same addition లానే చేయాలి, కాకపోతే అడిషన్ చేసే ప్లేస్ ఏం చేయాలంటే మైనస్ సింబల్ రాయాలి. It is in a bit. Exercise 5.5 a bit first problem. Remaining 7 problems you have to complete. Next in b bit, subtract. How to subtract? b bit also subtract, but that are mixed fractions. Mixed fractions. First question, 3 into 2 by 7 minus 7 by 8. 3 into 2 by 7 minus 7 by 8. Then now if you got like this, what you will do? ఏం చేస్తారంటే ఫస్ట్ ఆల్రెడీ ఇంతకు ముందు క్లాస్లో మనము సబ్ట్రాక్ట్, so only 3 had right. This whole number keep as is like this only, because here we don't have another whole number. ఇక్కడ ఏ whole number లేదు కదా నాన్న, so you should keep like that only. Then we have to subtract. Now see here, it is 3 into 22 by 7 minus 7 by 8. Here if we don't have any whole number, then we have to take that whole number as 1. ఇక్కడ మీరు 1 ఉంది అనుకోండి, ఏది లేకపోతే అంటే టెక్స్ట్ బుక్ లో క్వశ్చన్ మనం ఏది లేకపోతే మనం 1 గా అజ్యూమ్ చేసుకోవచ్చు నేను. సో 1 8 8 8 ప్లస్ 1 8 8 8 ప్లస్ 7 15 వస్తుంది. సో నో ప్రాబ్లం, we can assume. Then 3 minus 1, 3 minus 1 is 2. Then 2 by 7 minus 7 by 8. Then LCM of 7, 8. LCM of 7, 8. 2 table of 7 రాదు, ఎందుకంటే 7 prime number. So 7 as it is. 2 4s are 8. Again in 2 table 7 not possible. 2 2s are 4. Then 2 into 7 into 2. 2 2s are 4. 4 7s are 28. 28 2s are 56. Then 56 LCM divided by first fraction denominator 7. 7 table 56 వస్తుంది. 7 8s are 56. Again 56 divided by 8. 8 plus 56 వస్తుంది అది 8 7 గా 56 then take the first fraction that is 2 by 7 into 8 by 8 2 into 8 by 7 into 8 2 8 are 16 7 8 are 56 then second fraction 7 by 8 into second fraction denominator 7 by 7 7 into 7 by 8 into 7 7 7s are 49 7 8s are 56 then 16 by 56 sorry 16 by 56 and 49 by 56 then here you have to subtract greater number to smaller number greater number నుండి smaller number ని subtract చేయాలని ఎందుకంటే smaller number నుండి greater number subtract చేయడం పాసిబుల్ అవ్వదు కదా so you have to subtract 49 by 56 minus 16 by 56 మేడం అంతా రాసుకుంటాం కదంటే nothing will happen denominators are equal then take only one denominator that is 56 9 minus 6 is 3 4 minus 1 is 3 now 33 by 56 here before we got one number that is 2 so 2 into 33 by 56 is the answer for remaining all problems you have to find like that only ముందు ఏ whole number లేకపోతే you can take that whole number as one and you can find the solutions next we have solved the word problems two word problems are there I'll explain two you have to complete one so see bit solve the word problems in a long jump competition Balab jumped 5 into 3 by 10 meters Maninder jumped 4 into 5 by 5 meters how much more did Balab jump than Maninder see bit solve the word problems how much more means we have to do subtraction then see bit solve the word problems solve the word problems so in a long jump competition Balab jumped 5 into 3 by 10 meters and Maninder jumped 4 into 1 by 5 meters. How much more did Balab jump? Then Maninder. So simply it is subtraction of fractions, Nana. Simply it is subtraction of fractions. So you have to write Balab jump is equal to 5 into 3 by 10. Maninder jump is equal to 4 into 5 by 5 meters. Then you have to subtract 5 into 3 by 10 minus 4 into 1 by 5. So 5 into 3 by 10 minus 4 into 1 by 5. Then first subtraction of mixed fraction name this and first whole number ni subtract chesedi. So 5 minus 4 it gives 1. Then 3 by 10 minus 1 by 5. LCM of 10 comma 5. 10 की 5 की LCM जो same होता है ना 5 टेबल रेंडो पॉसिबल आता है. That is 5 2s are 10, 5 1s are 5. 5 into 2 into 1. 5 2s are 10, 10 1s are 10. Then Take the LCM, that is 10, divided by first fraction denominator 10. 10 table 10 goes down to 3, 10 ones are 10. Then LCM 10 divided by second fraction denominator, that is 5. 5 twos are 10. Then what is the first fraction? 3 by 10 into 1 by 1. That is 3 into 1 by 10 into 1. 3 ones are 3, 10 ones are 10. Second fraction is 1 by 5. 1 by 5 into 2 by 2. 1 into 2 by 5 into 2. 1 twos are 2. 5 twos are 10. Then we have to subtract. 3 by 10 minus 2 by 10. Then we have to subtraction. Take the denominator as 10. 3 minus 2. 3 minus 2 is 1. 1 by 10. But before that, what we have to write? 5 minus 4 is 1. We have to write. Why we have to write? Because it is mixed fraction. Subtraction of mixed fraction. కాబట్టి first whole numbers ని subtraction వచ్చిన whole number ని subtraction తర్వాత వచ్చిన ఆన్సర్ కి బిఫోర్ గా రాసుకోవాలి. Now we can write this as 1 into 1 by 10. Now second word problem. Alam bought 5 into 2 by 3 kg of fruits. On reaching home, he found that 1 into 1 by 4 kg of fruits were rotten. How many kilograms fruits were not rotten? Here you have to subtract. Rotten means ఎండిపోయినట్టు అనిపించినాయి అంటానా. So you have to subtract 5 into 2 by 3 minus 1 into 1 by 4. Same like this only. Subtraction of mixed fractions. Next, of the 4 into 1 by 2 of milk, liters of milk bought in the morning, 3 by 7 liter was left at the end of the day. How much milk was used up? So subtraction of 4 into 1 by 2 minus 3 by 7. If you have subtract this, then exercise 5.5 will completed. That means addition of fractions, subtraction of fractions will completed. In the next class, we will learn multiplication of fractions. Then afterwards, we have division of fractions. If you have learned, then fractions chapter will completed. So subtraction of fractions complete here to yourself. Okay, children? Complete your homework up to here. Then third word problem. Solution of the 4 into 1 by 2 liters of milk bought in the morning. 7 by liters of milk left at the night. So milk bought in the evening, morning is equal to 4 into 1 by 2 liters. Milk left at the end of the day is equal to end of the day is equal to 3 by 7 liters. Then how much milk was used up means you have to subtract 4 into 1 by 2 minus 3 by 7. Now it is subtraction of mixed fractions. How to subtract mixed fraction? This whole number you have to keep as it is like that only. Then take 1 by 2 comma 1 by 2 minus 7 by 2. Here for denominators 2 and 7 both are prime numbers. So directly you can multiply. Two prime numbers directly multiply chana. So LCM of 2 comma 7 is 2 into 7 is equal to 14. Then take the LCM 14 divided by first fraction denominator 2. Into table 14 is possible, that is 7 times. Then 14 divided by second fraction denominator 7. 7 2s are 14. Then first fraction is 1 by 2 into first fraction answer 7 by 7. 1 into 7 by 2 into 7, that is 1 7s are 7, 2 7s are 14. Then second fraction 3 by 7. 3 by 7 into second fraction answer is LCM answer 2. 2 by 2. 3 into 2 by 7 into 2. 3 2s are 6, 7 2s are 14. Then we have to subtract 7 by 4 minus 7 by 14 minus 6 by 14. These two are like fractions. How to subtract like fractions? Take only one LCM, that is 14. 7 minus 6. 7 minus 6 is 1. 1 by 14. So before that what we have here? 4. So 4 into 1 by 14 is the answer. 4 into 1 by 14 liters of milk were left at the end of the day. Up to here exercise 5.5 has completed. In the next class we will learn exercise 5.6 and 5.7 is about multiplication of fractions. Okay children?